Ooh, it's so hot day today. Today I want to show you how I do my laundry, and I wash my laundry of course in the washing machine, and then I want to show how I'm going to hang my laundry. Let's go and see. All the laundry in the washing machine. So a pile of laundry, a lot to be hang dry. Where should I start? 1, 2, 3, start. More and more laundry. Just let me show you how I hang my laundry. I have a specific laundry room. I don't hang my laundry outdoor. I hang my laundry, I dry my laundry indoor. I have a specific laundry room. Let's check it out. Once you walk in, it's this very small room. Once you walk in, there's a washing machine out here, right here, and this is my laundry room. And then there's a fan, help for the ventilation, and this is how I hang my laundry. So let's see. A lot of laundry to do every day, daily, no miss. This laundry, hang, alright. how I do my laundry. After I wash my laundry, I hang my laundry hang dry. I don't use the dryer because the dryer it takes forever to be dry. So I just hang it there and let it dry by itself. Usually by one day it will be completely, the next day will be completely dry. So thank you for watching. This is how I hang my laundry, and then this is a mom chores, a daily mom chores that I have to do it every day. No skip, okay? If I skip one day of my laundry, I'm gonna be in a big trouble. Thank you for watching. I see you the next chores.